Hi YouTubers, this is Karen and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm out for a camping adventure at Salt Springs Recreational Area located in the Ocala National Forest.
Come and join me as I camp and explore the northernmost natural spring of the Ocala Forest.
This is the primitive camping area. It's a dirt road that leads in here. Many of the sites have all shade, while other sites are out in the open in the sun, like this one. It's really beautiful here. It's the forest. Look at these old trees. And of course it's a sand pine scrub area. I just love how the moss hangs down off these trees.
Let's walk along the footpath that connects the campground to the springs pool and explore.
So this little trail leads down to the water. Again, another very large picnic area with barbecue grills for the day use people. It's cool and shady.
Florida's springs create critical ecosystems for plants and animals. Salt Springs is located between the St. Johns River and the Ocklawaha River. It has clear water that remains at 72 degrees year-round. In 1979, the U.S. government bought this springs from a private family. The Salt Springs pumps out 53 million gallons of crystal clear water per day.
So right where he's diving, that's the spring vent right there. It's a little deeper area.
The springs pool is a rectangle 90 by 20 feet. You can actually see in this video 3 different spring vents towards the end of the rectangle. The bottom of the springs pool isn't very deep and you can stand throughout most of the area. The bottom also has exposed limestone, as you see here.
Come over here.
So let's walk on back to the camping area. This is a wonderful place to just chill out. If you're a nature lover or a free spirit, this spring is going to be right up your alley. This is a slow-paced adventure with a rhythm tied to the rise and setting of the sun.
So temperatures today got up into the high 90s, so I decided for dinner I'm going to make a charcuterie board. So I laid everything out and then I'll place it on my wood board. This ought to be a great, refreshing dinner. So I'm going to start with some cheeses. This is Midnight Moon by Cypress Grove, one of my favorites. And then I've got a goat cheese here, and the goat cheese is Purple Haze, also by Cypress Grove. Then I've got some rosemary ham and salami. It's just the Calabrese salami. And then some of my favorite crackers I bought at Trader Joe's. They're the fig and olive crackers. So I'll place my crackers here. And then I really like adding these Parmesan crisps. Some fresh blueberries. Some dried cherries or cranberries would work. Any kind of nut. I've got a little bit of pistachios and then some Marcona almonds. And then one of my favorite things is by Mitica. This is a fig and almond torte. So I love this. It's chewy and fresh. 2 ingredients only. And then maybe a little fresh strawberry. Little strawberry flour. And there's my charcuterie board for dinner. So until the next video, thank you so much for watching, and please consider liking and subscribing to my video and channel. Peace and love.